Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, if y'all follow me on Instagram, if you don't, you definitely should. It'll be in the description box. Y'all will know the drama that I went through to get this video up, honey. So basically, long story short, the first video I hated the footage. Second video, everything was out of focus. Like the whole video was just terrible. So third time being a charm, I recorded it again and I think we got it this time. But hopefully it's all worth it because this look came out really amazing. It definitely came out better this time than it did any of the other two times. So happy about that. Also, this will be my last video 2020. I just want to say first and foremost, thank you guys so much for supporting me. I know I started this channel roughly 6 months ago and I did not expect it to be what it is right now. So thank y'all so much. Y'all definitely pushed me to keep going and being consistent and following my dreams, so I really appreciate y'all for that. Also, I don't know, what I'm doing for New Year's Eve. I'm probably just gonna be at home, drink a glass of wine, watching the countdown with the fam. So this is probably gonna be my New Year's. But if I was going out, this would be the look that I do, something really bold and pretty with a nice big fur and a nice pretty little black dress. Y'all know. If you know, you know. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. I hope y'all have a very, very safe New Year's Eve. Make sure that you guys are staying safe, being responsible, all that good stuff. And I'm excited for what 2021 is gonna bring. I have a lot of goals that I want to accomplish for 2021. I don't want to, tell y'all all of them, but one of my main goals is obviously to continue to grow my channel. I definitely want to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of next year. I think it's possible if I just keep going, being consistent, putting out great content. I definitely believe it'll happen. So excited about that. And then of course, like I said, I have a bunch of other goals for 2020. But yeah, that's all I have for this intro. I hope you guys love this look. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all follow me on all social media platforms. Those will be in the description box. And then of course, make sure you subscribe if you are not already. And without further ado, let's get right on into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see from the title, we are going to be doing a New Year's Eve glam tutorial. So starting off with our brows, we are going to be using the ColourPop Brow Box pencil in soft black to outline these brows. And as y'all can see, I just really outline the brows and then fill in these sparse areas because I'm kind of feeling the natural brow kind of look right now. So we're going to be using our Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Chestnut. Alright, so now we are going to use ColourPop's Brow Boss Gel in the color Clear to lay these brows down. Alright, so now we are going to prime our eyelids for some shadow. Tapping into my all-time favorite palette, we are going to be tapping into the color Mocha and putting that right into our transition. Going into the darkest shade of the palette, the color Abyss, we are going to start creating that smoky eye. Alright, so now we are going to go into the color Jade and we'll just put that right on our lid. And this look actually looks good with any color that you choose. As long as you have the exact same color glitter, then this look will work just fine. Using our NYX glitter primer, we are going to go right on top of that shadow and create the exact same cut crease. And then using our Beat by Debs Cosmetics, this is the chunky glitter stack. We are going to use that aqua blue and just pat that right onto that primer. let's get it.